Politics erupts over UP ATS busting Al-Qaeda terror module in Lucknow yesterday. BJP has hit out at the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who questioned UP police after it arrested 2 Al-Qaeda terrorists from Lucknow. Akhilesh had yesterday said that he neither believes UP police nor the government when it comes to arrest of terror suspects. BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya has now slammed Akhilesh for his comment. He said, and I quote, "First, Akhilesh Yadav first had doubts about the vaccine, now says he cannot trust Uttar Pradesh police's action against terrorists. Then why does he want to become a chief minister?" Unquote. Meanwhile, Congress has raised questions on UP police's action. In a jibe, Rashid Alvi said that terrorists will keep getting arrested till UP polls. UP ATS yesterday arrested 2 suspected members of Al-Qaeda terror ring and said that they were trying to conduct suicide attacks and run up to Independence Day.
मैं उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस पर और खासकर बीजेपी की सरकार भरोसा नहीं कर सकता।
जब तक उत्तर प्रदेश का चुनाव होगा, टेररिस्ट पकड़े जाते रहेंगे। पहले भी जब चुनाव हुआ था, टेररिस्ट पकड़े गए थे, बीच में टेररिस्ट की गतिविधियां ख़त्म हो गई थी। लेकिन जब जब चुनाव आता है, इस तरीके के वाक़यात होते हैं। ये क्यों होते हैं, इस सवाल का जवाब योगी आदित्यनाथ और बीजेपी के नेता ही दे सकते हैं।
Samat is now joining us for the very latest. Samat, walk our viewers through the politics that has erupted over the Lucknow Al-Qaeda bust.
Well, exactly, politics is on in this matter where Al-Qaeda terrorists were nabbed by the Uttar Pradesh anti-terrorist squad, though Congress saying that it all happens when polls are around. BJP has an habit to do all these things, while Akhilesh Yadav clearly said that he doesn't trust UP police and BJP. So yes, questions are being raised over the arrest of the 2 Al-Qaeda suspects. Though India Today spoke to ACS Home Avnish Awasthi, he clearly said that there were clear links with Al-Qaeda which have been found in the investigation done by UP ATS and UP police in a joint operation. He also said that there are some other persons linked with those 2 suspects of Al-Qaeda and they will be nabbed very soon. And they also said that they were planning something very big. They were planning serial blasts. They were also tracking some railway stations to get something big done in some trains, as they were looking for some places where much footfall happens. So these were the things told by Avnish Awasthi, while India Today also spoke to the family of Mushruddin, one of the suspects in the Al-Qaeda matter. His family is saying that yes, the family has contested the police version and said that Mushruddin was innocent. We had not much money. They have a 12-year-old daughter who gets insulin and dealing with sugar problems. So all these things were said by the family, and family also claimed that cops came in and took away a normal pressure cooker in the name of explosives. Though versions are different, as Avnish Awasthi at one hand saying it's a proper operation, IG ATS are saying it's a proper operation and complete link of Al-Qaeda was seen, while on the other hand, family has a different version. Also, the politics around is also now revolving with Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav coming into the scene, Congress Party claiming it an operation ahead of UP polls to gain more votes. So yes, it's very common ahead of polls this operation was conducted, and it was as expected that politics will go on in this particular matter. Yeah.
All right, Samat, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us. Breaking news coming in.